This chicken a la king recipe has been handed down to me from my mum. It's regularly on our recipe rotation at home, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I absolutely love a creamy chicken a la king. I've always loved the way the sauce sinks into the rice, making every bite savoury, creamy and really tasty. It's comfort food at its best, and it's really quick to make, so it's a perfect midweek meal. We're going to start by heating 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium to high heat in a large pan. Add 12 baby chestnut mushrooms that have been sliced in half to the pan and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until the mushrooms are golden brown. Remove them from the pan and reserve them in a bowl for later. Now we're going to add another 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil to the frying pan. Add a large sliced onion and fry for 5 to 6 minutes over that medium to high heat until the onion starts to soften. Now we're going to stir in 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and cook while stirring for 1 minute. Now I'm going to incorporate the stock. I've got 280 ml, which is a little under 1.25 cups of hot chicken stock here, and I'm going to add it to the pan with the flour and the onions, a splash at a time, while stirring with a whisk until it forms a thick paste. Now add the rest of that stock, a splash at a time, and keep stirring with the whisk to ensure the sauce doesn't go lumpy. Once all the stock is incorporated, add in 200 ml or a little over 3/4 cup of semi-skimmed milk and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Keep stirring and the sauce will thicken as it heats through. Now that sauce has thickened, we're going to add in some sherry. I know this sounds like an unusual ingredient to add to the sauce, but trust me, it really works to add depth and complexity to the flavour. So we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of dry sherry. Give it all a stir together and add in a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a taste and add in a little more sherry, salt or pepper if needed. Now we're going to add in 250 grams or about 9 ounces of chopped cooked chicken. We'll also add in the fried mushrooms that we made earlier. Cook that for a couple of minutes to ensure the chicken is hot throughout, and then we're ready to serve. And there you go, that's how to make a delicious and creamy chicken a la king. A quick and easy midweek meal that I've been having for as long as I can remember. If you don't like this recipe, you're going to have to take it up with my mum. See you next time.